Good morning, US. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This dictation is of 80 words per minute and pertaining to Andhra Pradesh, and the examination conducted was in the month of January 1999. Get ready? 5 seconds. Start. Inaugurating the 10th conference of the members of the Film Censor Board, the Prime Minister said, I am very thankful to the reception committee for extending this warm welcome to address the members of the board. Ever since independence, the country has been major changes in every walk of life. The change in the cultural and educational scene has led to improvements in the standard of living of the common man. The people of the country have been following traditions which are age old, and they seem to believe that these traditions are important and applicable even today also. With the electronic media making deep inroads into our culture, we tend to change ourselves to the modern and Western culture. I do not want to say that these are wrong and should not be followed. Every culture has its own significance, and we must appreciate the greatness in any culture. Cinema is one of the most important media of entertainment, and people, irrespective of the age, young and old, and child, love to see the films. If the films do not give the kind of relief which a majority of masses expect, then the purpose of the film is not achieved. Time and again, there are representations that the present day films have been showing more of violence and the moral and ethical values which the films are expected to highlight are missing. There is a big fall in the standards of the films. Today's films are based on crimes and revenge. They have no clear story or direction. You may ask as to why the people are accepting such films instead of returning them. We should not blame the common man entirely for this. There seems to be no uniform rules being adopted by the different regional boards. A picture which receives a certificate in one region may be objected to by the people in another region. Thus, there is need to fix clearly some norms by which the films are certified by the boards. The Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting, which is present here, will, I hope, take note of the concern expressed by honorable members and will be able to incorporate them in the draft amendment bill to be presented in the Lok Sabha soon. I have the privilege to announce a cash award of rupees 10 lakhs for the best film in any language every year. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of 15th ultimo appointing us as your sole agents for the 4 southern states for marketing your products. We thank you for the opportunity given to us, and we assure you that we shall do our best to rise to the occasion. In this context, we wish to bring to your notice some of the important areas where wide publicity is needed. The states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka can be taken as advanced, and posters and written materials will be sufficient. Some of the rural parts in the state of Andhra Pradesh are very backward, and the above strategy will not be of much use to them. We suggest that a group of artists may be appointed to give publicity in these areas. As regards the remaining, we suggest that by offering more discounts, we can increase the volumes of sales of our products. Hope you will do the needful. Yours faithfully. That's all.